Hey everybody, it's the Horsey place and I'm so excited. I've just got a new package of Schleich and Papo, so let's get into it. Okay, so now we have the box. It's ready to open. Whoa, everything is just right here. It hardly fits on my whole desk. That is crazy. Okay, so, ooh, let's get rid of all that. Oh wow. Okay, there are so many farm animals. So first out we have all these beautiful fences. A part of the set that I've already got. And then we have these, the farm accessories. I'm not sure what these are. So I have all of these red pieces here, which must form some kind of enclosure. So this is like a water trough, which is cute. Okay, so out of the box next we have another red. It's a Papo farm, okay. So that's what these ones are for. That's very cute. And then in here, this is like a little enclosure for chickens or whatever farm animals. So I'm guessing something to do with this because these are Papo. So this is another cute little enclosure. So I think these guys go together and they all need a bit of a clean, but we can definitely do that. This is a really cool one. This is a trailer, and honestly, I was really wanting a trailer because how else do my horses get here? They need a trailer. Oh, and there's a fella in the truck. Oh, that is so cute. I hope he can come out. He can come out. Oh my goodness, there's a fella in the truck. I love that. That's like my childhood dream right here. These things are just chilling over here. Wow, there's so much stuff. This is awesome. Okay, this is the really exciting part. The little hay bale is so cute. Pop this in the truck. My Schleichs are just chilling down there.
Hello everybody.
This is another part for the enclosure over here. So here we have all the animals. They've kind of come a bit loose here, but what we got first. This little black sheep is from Papo. She is absolutely adorable. Really nicely sculpted as well. Very gorgeous. Next up, you can see him. This is the Schleich Friesian, and he's got a head collar on. This is him and his little head collar, and I think his leg is a little bit warped, so I'm gonna go and fix that in a bit. Say hello to all my customs. I'm gonna have to move them out of the way though. Yeah, my customs are sitting here at the minute because I'm too paranoid to put them on my shelf in case my shelf falls down, because these guys are my babies and I scratch them too much anyway, so they chill here. Next one is this fella. Oh wow, he's got posable arms. That's so cool. But I actually have never seen him before because I'm usually a horse club girly. This guy's very awesome. He looks like he's called Fred, so we're gonna name him Fred. And next we have a little blanket and a head collar. I cannot get enough horse tack. I really do not have enough horse tack. And then here we have the Friesian mare wearing a little jumping saddle. The tack is amazing. And I love this color on her actually. She really suits this color. Okay, and then next we have an Andalusian, and she is in amazing condition. Oh yes, I'm definitely keeping this girl as well, hopefully. This is the Icelandic mare. I have one on this mold already, so they're gonna be a gorgeous pair, and she is so cute. I love this mold. And here's the little Icelandic baby, but he's so cute. So yeah, I love this little one. Okay, and wow, so this is a red panda, and this is from Papo. So this is a little, I'm falling, little red panda from Papo. So cute. Okay, and then next up, we have a Schleich goat. Got the little rectangular pupils. I don't know if you can see. That is so fun. That was some serious detail. Get all the hair off of her. And then here we have some just barn accessories, some reins. Hopefully there's a bridle to go with that. But oh, she's adorable. It's a little cat. But we've got her back. So this little adorable little farm cat. Oh, I love her. Okay, put her on the roof here. And then next up, we have little pony. I already have this one and I keep forgetting it's not an actual Icelandic. It might be an Icelandic. Oh gosh, I keep forgetting the breed, but please don't roast me for forgetting the breed. It's on the screen right now. Okay, and oh, look at this little donkey. I don't think she can fit in the shed, so she's gonna pop down here. And next we have a little baby calf. Oh, adorable. Oh, it's so cute. I love cows. I don't know if you guys know that about me, but I don't just love horses. I absolutely love cows. And oh, there's the bridle. So the reins do have a bridle. That is good news. And a swan. Wow, it looks like a goose actually. Geese are menaces to society. All of them. Every single goose I've ever encountered has tried to bite me. I don't know. Usually animals don't mind me, but geese. Oh, this is the little rooster. He's so cute. He's gonna be waking everybody up and hopefully chasing the goose away because we hate geese. You know what my personal vendetta is against geese. Anyway, oh, look at this lady. She's got all the eggs. She's been looking after all the hens. Next we have a pig. Oh, he's so cute. Or she is so cute, sorry. Beautiful little pig. She is perfect. She's my first pig. I don't have any pigs. Go to the little bits here. Give those to the cat. There we go. Next, we have a lovely little hen. Then, oh, I didn't even know this one was in here. Okay, this is a cute little Shetland. She is so adorable. Oh my gosh, the proportions on this one. She looks like a chicken nugget. She is definitely gonna hop in with everyone. Little retriever. So cute. We got in the farm. And this lady from Schleich, hopefully they have her brushes because I already have one of this lady. And I lost her brushes. And a wheelbarrow. Oh, this is perfect. You guys, this set has got so much. Absolutely fangirling over this tiny little horse. We've got this girl. She's smiling and she's brushing. They give each other a high five. Give me a high five. No. And then, oh no. So we got some hay. So some more little green hay. Very nice. Put it on the big bundle. And little chicks. So tiny and so cute. Up in the world, you guys. And here's a little basket. Wow, there's little veterinary supplies in here. So if one of my horses ever gets sick, well, we know where to go. Next one up is this. Wow, this is an awesome looking bird. I have no idea what bird this is. Look at the size of this bird. Ruler of the roost over here. Okay, so I'm sorry, but my top light, this top light over here has just died. So we're going to be living in somewhat darkness. But I do have a second light over here. Say hello. I just got to this little sheep. She is so adorable. And her dad is going to be over here. We have another little storage thing. I don't have any more medicine. So, okay, so we can put all the food in here. Okay, so we have more hay. It's a little baby rabbit. I love the little bunnies. They're adorable. So where are we going to put little bunny? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. Let's put her on the front of the car. Clearing out now for another hutch. Oh, look at this one. These guys, this is such a unique little set, you know. This is so rare. I don't think I've ever, oh, look at the little baby one. I don't think I've ever seen this set before. Wow, this is perfect for like a diorama. And then, I think that's it, just some bits. Extra wheel. Got another little broom. Finally, we have just in the bag some more carrots. So you guys, wow. And I think that is it. Oh, there's a little bucket in there. Let me get mine. Okay, so this is the full set. I basically got a whole farm. Wow, you guys. This is so exciting. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed. And you guys obviously stay awesome. Stay watching my videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.